If you're looking for dog's eye care, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel. Top 10 Dogs Eye Care Products. Number 1. By Angel's Eyes. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2. By Vetericyn. Number 3. By Nutri-Vet. For more details about these dogs' eye care products, just click this circle. Number 4. By Angel's Eyes. Number 5. By Mindful Pets. Find these dogs' eye care at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. By Angel's Eyes. Number 7, by Miracle Care. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Pet Post. Number 9, by Angel's Eyes. Discover more dogs' eye care ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by iMed Pharma.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.